This is Hunter, and today I'll be talking about how to get onto Boracay. Okay, so when you come out of Boracay Airport, wander on down here through the car park. We're going to do the cheap way to get there, so we're going to find a tricycle. So yes, you do have to drag your luggage through a hot car park after a couple of long flights, but it's fantastic. It's well worth it for the views. Oh, we're about to hit some dirt. Thank you. Just gonna go down this track. So the first thing we have to do is get a tricycle down to the actual port. The boat port, that's gonna take us across to Boracay. So at the moment, this is Caticlan. We've come by jet, so that's new. Certainly for me anyway. I was here 10 years ago, and there was no way to get a jet here. So now you have to drag your case across this rubble. So the tricycles cost 75 pesos per person. So buy your tickets from this hut. So just grab one of these tricycles. This nice man's carrying my luggage. Good on him. Thank you, po.
Famous.
All right, well. I'll be talking about the fees, the paperwork you need, like a little visa thing or a passenger form, and how much all the fees are. Environment fees, the boat fees, anything else we find along the way. Any surprises, obviously, before you come, check the latest rules. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go up to the verification and scanning section. So that's where you're going to give them things like your passport, and you have to show them a hotel booking. That's really important. So get that hotel booking, to do that all before you come here. So do it way before you fly, and then in return they'll give you a little bit of paper. Once you've got a little bit of paper, you can come over to Windows 7, and that's where you pay your environment fee. So that's 150 pesos. For domestic, 300 pesos for a foreigner, and 150 each for the terminal fee. So that's collected at Windows 7. Terminal fee, environment fee. Alrighty, once you paid your fees, then you go and get your boat ticket. Okay, so you have to give your little ticket to a man. Then you wander down here and you've got to buy a boat ticket as well. So yes, it is extremely chaotic. Hopefully we'll get there. Ah, here we go, boat fare 50 each. So then you buy your boat fare 50. That's on top of all the environment fees and taxes and everything else you paid so far. Hey, nice one. So after your boat ticket, you then have to go up to another table. Oh look, there's the water, it's so close now. So then you have to write your name on this table. So then have to use this table to write your name onto some form. I think it goes on the boat ticket. Okay, so once you've done your name on the table, you drag your luggage.
Seat number and the name of your boat.
Ah, okay, so then you exchange those tickets for some... What is this?
Seat number.
Seat number on your boat. So that's your boat name and your seat number. Isn't this easy? This is very easy. Oh, Dunkin' Donuts. Hi. Wow, look at that. You can also hire people like the guy in front of us, who's very kind, to carry your luggage just onto the boat. And I know that might sound, why are you doing that? But it's so dangerous to get across to those boats. You can see in the distance there just how dangerous it is. So it's better to actually get someone to carry your luggage for you. And I'll show you that in a minute. Hey, good guy. Thank you. Look at this strong guy. Okay, you can see why. I mean, this is just really dangerous. Okay, so this hasn't changed. So I think I was here about 10 years ago, and nothing's really changed in that time. this very kind guy in blue. See, look, you would not want to do that by yourself, eh? So he's going to carry that up. Wow, good on him.
Hindi kami na lang masulod to.
Oy, bloody. Oy, 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 oy. This is mad. Hello. Oh, wow. Thank you. Okay, so we made it to the other end. Again, we're going to do a porter. Safest way, really. Because I bet it's just going to be some narrow kind of like bit of wood or something to connect to the island. This is Boracay. Welcome to Boracay. Whoa. This guy's awesome. Don't die on this bit. Danger. Whoa. There's our luggage going up there. You don't want to do this on your own. It's not a bad sight after that journey, eh? Been travelling 13 hours so far. From Naga to Boracay. Follow that luggage. And I hope I'll be able to tell you how much a tricycle will cost. Oh, they've changed it now. They're electronic e-trikes. Okay, so they're e-trikes now, which is awesome. That's a big change since I was here 10 years ago. Nice, look at how strong it is. Oh, thank you, Bart. Oh, very nice, super quiet, super smooth.
Yeah, it's nicer
Oh.
than the tricycle.
It is nicer than the tricycle. Oh, I really like this. So these e-trikes are 75 pesos per person. Super smooth, very quiet, not outputting any of those dirty fumes. It's really nice, actually. Yeah. That's the thing, the old tricycles are much thinner. Jinx, that might be as far as we can go. Okay.
Nasa dulo na po.
Right.
Lapit na lang ako.
This is as far as the tricycle can take us. That's a little bit of a difference. The old tricycles are much thinner and you can go anywhere. Oh, now we're going to hot poor luggage. Look how it's going to suffer now. But look, beautiful water, beautiful beach in the distance there. Let's try dragging our poor thing. Oh, that is going to be one bashed up luggage by the time we've finished. But all that pain was worth it for this beautiful view and time for a cocktail. Cheers, Boracay. As promised, here's a quick summary of fees, boat tickets, tricycles and porter costs. And here's the paperwork you'll require. I hope this video was useful, and if you want to be amongst the first in the world to know when a new video is released, hit that subscribe and notify bell now. Salamat po!